The substances which are soluble in lipids diffuse through the membrane faster, and the substances which are having hydrophilic moiety, they felt difficult, they find it difficult to move or to pass through the membrane. They must be facilitated by the protein. They must be facilitated by the proteins. Such type of diffusion is called as facilitated diffusion. Such type of diffusion is called as facilitated diffusion. Another one is porins are the, it's very very important. Porins are the, these are the proteins present in the outer membranes of plastids, mitochondria, and bacteria, allowing the molecules which are smaller, proteins. These are the porins. These porins are present in the membranes of the plastids, mitochondria, and bacteria. These are the proteins which allows the smaller proteins. This is the diffusion, facilitated diffusion. In the facilitated diffusion, we have discussed about the porins. Next one is coming to the another means of transport is osmosis. Movement of molecules or ions or solvent or water from low concentrated area to high concentrated area through a semi-permeable membrane. Is called osmosis. This osmosis is quite opposite to diffusion. In that diffusion process, movement of molecules or ions from high concentrated area to low concentrated area. Here in this osmosis, movement of molecules or ions or solvent or water from low concentrated area to high concentrated area through a semi-permeable membrane is called as osmosis. Osmosis mainly depends on concentration gradient. It is completely depends on concentration gradient. The example is water absorbed by the plants through this osmosis process. In the ninth class, we have this osmosis and diffusion process are there. For this osmosis experiment, there is potato osmoscope experiment is there. And thistle funnel experiment also there. In this thistle funnel experiment, take a raw egg and take this dilute hydrochloric acid in glass beaker. Pour this, kept this raw egg in this dilute hydrochloric acid. After some time, the coat which is around the egg is diluted. After that, we pour a hole to it, and the yolk which is inner of that membrane comes out. This white colored membrane acts as semi-permeable membrane. Take a thistle funnel. This bottom of that thistle funnel is widened. This widened part is covered with this egg membrane. This egg membrane acts as semi-permeable membrane. Semi-permeable membrane means this membrane has the nature that which substance should allow and which substance should not allow. Here this semi-permeable membrane covers this thistle funnel broad part, and we pour this sugar solution into this thistle funnel. Arrange this, make the mark as L1. This entire apparatus kept in a glass beaker which is consists of pure water. After some time, there is a rise in the water level of this thistle funnel due to the process of osmosis, movement of molecules from low concentrated area to high concentrated area up to its equilibrium. That process is called as osmosis. These are the two different means or ways of transportation of water in plants.